Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access. Make sure you are admin or editor on the page and logged into the correct Facebook account. Once done, verify email, phone, and enable two-factor authentication on your profile to avoid permission hiccups. Next, clear your browser cache and disable extensions that inject scripts. Now open Facebook on desktop, navigate directly to the page and select Settings, then Professional Dashboard. This puts you in the exact spot to see dashboard modules and permissions you will adjust. You will now rebuild the dashboard by inspecting each module for errors or missing content. Start with Insights, Ads, Content, and Monetization. Open each and note missing widgets. Then go to Page Settings and Templates and Tabs to re-enable modules that were turned off. In Business Manager, check Business Settings for disconnected assets. Reconnect ad accounts, payment methods, and any creator tools. You may need to reassign permissions. Once reattached, refresh the dashboard and confirm widgets repopulate with current data. Finish by verifying every role and permission on both the page and Business Manager. Make sure each required person has the correct access. Then clear cache again and test in another browser or an incognito window to rule out local issues. If modules still fail, check account quality and the support inbox for restrictions or required actions and submit appeals if needed. As a last resort, remove the page from Business Manager and re-add it. Then reassign roles. That often resets hidden linkages and restores the professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.